Hello, plant-powered enthusiasts and everyone curious about vegetarian and vegan lifestyles. Today, we're embarking on a journey filled with essential vitamin tips to help vegans and vegetarians thrive on their plant-based diets. Join us as we explore the unique considerations, practical tips, and delicious food sources to ensure you get all the essential vitamins your body needs. Unique vitamin considerations for plant-based diets. Plant-based diets are undeniably nutritious, but they do come with some unique vitamin considerations. Vitamin B12, this vital nutrient is primarily found in animal products. Vegans need to supplement B12 or consume fortified foods to meet their requirements. Vitamin D, while the sun is a natural source of vitamin D, it can be challenging to get enough through sunlight alone, especially in certain climates. Vegans should consider fortified foods or supplements. Iron, plant-based iron, non-heme iron, isn't as easily absorbed as heme iron from animal sources. Combining iron-rich foods with vitamin C can enhance absorption. Calcium, plant-based calcium sources like fortified plant milks, tofu, and leafy greens can help meet calcium needs. Practical vitamin tips for vegans and vegetarians. Vitamin B12, take a B12 supplement or consume fortified foods like plant-based milks, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast. Vitamin D, consider a vitamin D supplement, especially if you have limited sun exposure. Look for fortified foods like orange juice or cereal. Iron, include iron-rich foods such as lentils, beans, tofu, spinach, and fortified cereals in your diet. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits or bell peppers to enhance absorption. Calcium, include calcium-fortified plant milks, leafy greens, like kale and collard greens, and fortified tofu in your meals. Vegan food sources rich in essential vitamins. Here are some delicious plant-based foods brimming with essential vitamins. Vitamin B12, fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milks, and meat substitutes. Also, B12 supplements, if recommended by your healthcare provider. Vitamin D, fortified orange juice, almond milk, and cereal. Don't forget to soak up some sunlight when possible. Iron, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, spinach, quinoa, and fortified cereals. Calcium, collard greens, kale, broccoli, almond milk, and fortified tofu. Easy and delicious plant-based meal ideas. Vegan breakfast burrito, scramble tofu with spinach and turmeric, wrap it in a whole grain tortilla, and add avocado and salsa. Chickpea and spinach curry, cook chickpeas with tomatoes, spinach, and your favorite spices for a flavorful, iron-rich dish. Quinoa and veggie bowl, top cooked quinoa with sautéed bell peppers, zucchini, and black beans. Drizzle with tahini dressing for added calcium. Veggie stir-fry, sauté tofu, broccoli, and carrots in a tasty stir-fry sauce, served over brown rice for a calcium and iron boost. There you have it, fellow plant enthusiasts. With these practical tips, rich food sources, and delicious meal ideas, you can thrive on a vegan or vegetarian diet while ensuring you meet your essential vitamin needs. So, embrace the power of plant-based nutrition and enjoy a healthy, vibrant lifestyle. Until next time, stay green, stay healthy, and stay happy.